Hello friends, today I am going to share with you the names of president of our country India. As we know, there are 14 presidents that India has seen till now. They were different in their own ways. Let us know more. The president of India is the head of our nation. He or she is the supreme commander of the Indian Armed Forces and referred as the first citizen of the country. The president is elected by the Electoral College of India. He is elected by the members of the Parliament House, the Lok Sabha, Rajya Sabha, and also the members of Vidhan Sabha. President is elected for 5 years. His duty is to protect the law of the Constitution under all circumstances. There have been 14 presidents post originated after declaring India as a republic country. Dr. Rajendra Prasad was the first president of India. He was born on 3rd December in 1884 in Bengal Presidency. Now it is in Siwan district, Bihar. He completed his education from Kolkata University. He was a lawyer by profession. He served longest period of time as president. Officially, he had completed his duty and responsibility from 26th January 1952 12th May 1962. Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan was the second president of Republic India. He was born on 5th September in 1888 in Thirutanni, Madras Presidency. His birthday is celebrated as Teachers' Day every year. He worked as a president from 13th May 1962 to 12th May 1967 in Republic India. He was a great professor, philosopher and writer and vice chancellor of Andhra University and Banaras Hindu University. He received the Bharat Ratna Award in 1954. Dr. Zakir Hussain was born on 8th February 1897 in Hyderabad. He was the third President of India from 13th May 1967 to 3rd May 1969. He was an Indian economist and politician. He was Vice Chancellor of Aligarh Muslim University and a recipient of Padma Vibhushan and Bharat Ratna. He worked very short period due to death in office. Varahagiri Venkatgiri was the fourth President of India. He was born on 10th August 1894 in Berhampur Presidency in Odisha. He served as president from 24th August 1969 to 24th August 1974. He was the recipient of the Bharat Ratna. He had served as Labour and Employment Minister and High Commissioner of Ceylon. Fakhruddin Ali Ahmed was born on 13th May 1905 in Delhi. He was the fifth President of India as served from 24 August 1974 to 11 February 1977. He was Food and Agriculture Minister before being elected as President. He was the active member of the Indian National Congress. He was a lawyer and politician. Neelam Sanjeev Reddy was born on 19th May 1913 in Madras Presidency. He was the sixth President of Republic India from 25th July 1977 to 24th July 1982. He was the Speaker of Lok Sabha and was the first Chief Minister of Andhra Pradesh. Gyani Jail Singh was born on 5th May 1916 in Faridkot district in Punjab. He was the seventh President of India. He served as a President from 25th July 1982 to 24th July 1987. In March 1972, he assumed the position of Chief Minister of Punjab, and in 1980 he became Union Home Minister. Ramaswamy Venkataraman was the 8th President of India from 25th July 1987 to 25th July 1992. He was born on 4th December 1910 in Tamil Nadu. He was jailed by British due to participating in independence movement. Then he had been chosen as Minister of Finance and Industry and later as Defence Minister. Dr. Shankar Dayal Sharma was the 9th President of India from 25th July 1992 to 24th July 1997. He was born on 19 August 1918 in Bhopal. He became the Chief Minister of Bhopal in 1952 and the President of the All India Congress Committee in 1972. He served as the Governor of Andhra Pradesh, Punjab and Maharashtra. He became the Vice President and Chairman of Rajya Sabha. Kocheril Raman Narayanan was 10th President of India. He was born on 27th October 1920 in Kottayam district, Kerala. He served as a president from 25th July 1997 to 25th July 2002. K.R. Narayanan served as India's ambassador to Thailand, Turkey, Japan, China, and United States of America. He received doctorates in science and law and was the Vice Chancellor of Jawaharlal Nehru University. Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam was the 11th President of India from 25th July 2002 to 25th July 2007. He was born on 15th October 1931 in Tamil Nadu. Kalam was an educator and engineer who played a vital role in the development of India's ballistic missile and nuclear weapons programs. He was awarded by Bharat Ratna, which is the highest civilian honor. He was also known as the Missile Man of India. Pratibha Patil was the 12th President of India from 25th July 2007 to 24th July 2012. She was born on 19th December 1934 in Maharashtra. She was the Governor of Rajasthan. She was the first woman who became the President of India. Pranab Mukherjee was the 13th President of India. He was born on 11th December 1935 in Bengal Presidency. He was a lecturer by profession. He left it and joined in politics. He held various posts in the Cabinet Ministry for the Government of India, such as Finance Minister, Foreign Minister, Defense Minister, and Deputy Chairman of the Planning Commission. He was awarded by Bharat Ratna, which is India's highest civilian honor. Sri Ramnath Kovind is the 14th President of India. He was born on 1st October 1945 in Uttar Pradesh. He was the Governor of Bihar from 2015 to 2017 and a Member of Parliament. He became a Rajya Sabha member from Uttar Pradesh in 1994. He is the first president who is from the Bharatiya Janata Party. Thank you for watching this video, but don't forget to like, share and subscribe.